We are telehealth, and a lot of the things we do are with patient healthcare. And so when we were evaluating options, I was really excited to see that Writer has that compliance. And then the biggest thing was that what we would put into the LLM wasn't going to be used to train the model, where we felt secure, both in a brand perspective as well as health and patient perspective, that the data we input was not going to end up somewhere else.
The HIPAA compliance and the SOC 2 is what sold our internal IT and legal teams, especially in a broader AI perspective. That's how we were able to really get everyone internally, especially in legal, and our IT and security teams on board. The real key differentiator for us in Writer is that it was meeting us where everyone is, as opposed to yet another tool that we have to train and onboard our teams to use. Writer's automatically in Figma, Writer's automatically in Google Chrome. So it wasn't an extra tool we then needed to teach the teams how to use. It's you install a plugin and then you see the magic and the power of Writer really quickly.